Namaste. खुश रहो बेटिया. I, GVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic to study the nervous system. These topics belong to the human anatomy and physiology practical for the B Pharm second semester. So now we come to the topic, the nervous system. The nervous system is very important in helping to maintain the homeostasis balance of the human body. A series of sensory receptors work with the nervous system to provide information about changes in both the internal and external environment. The human nervous system is a complex of interconnected system in which larger systems are comprised of a smaller subsystem, each of which have a specific structure with spatial function. So, structure and function of the nervous system based on the neurons, nerve cells are the basic elements of the nervous system. Now we come to the neurons. Neurons is divided into different parts: cell body, dendrites, axons. The main processing center of the cell, and dendrites, the branching extension of the cell body that conduct nerve impulse toward the cell body. Axon, a single branch in most neurons which conducts nerve impulses away from the cell body. Myelin sheath and neural and covering of the axon is very important for the neuron. Neurons impulse transmission terminal and fibers are located at the end of the axon, and they transmit impulse leave the neuron across the synapse to the next neuron. Three types of neurons. Efferent motor conveys information from the CNS to muscle and glands. Types of neurons: efferent motor neuron, afferent sensory neuron, and interneuron. Neuronglia support, protect, connect, and remove debris from the nervous system. And types of neuronglia: cell, astrocytes, dendroglia, and microglia. So now we come to the all bodily activities, voluntary and involuntary, are controlled by the nervous system. Two major components. First one is central nervous system, is called as CNS, made up of the brain and spinal cord. Second one is peripheral nervous system, PNS, made up of all nerves that lead into and out of the CNS. Central nervous system. The central nervous system is composed of two major interconnected organs, the brain and the spinal cord. These organs work together. To integrate and coordinate sensory and motor information for the purpose of the controlling the various tissue, organ, and organ system of the body. The central nervous system is responsible for the higher neural function such as memory, learning, and emotion. The part of brain weighs about 3 pounds in adult and 75% water and 20% of oxygen, and contains over 100 billion neurons. Control bodily function and interaction with the outside world. Brain has a 4 parts. First one is cerebrum, diencephalons, brainstem, and cerebellum. Brainstem is made up of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. Midbrain involves with visual reflexes, pons located between the midbrain and the medulla oblongata controls certain respiratory functions. Medulla oblongata contains center that regulate heart and lung functioning, swallowing, coughing, vomiting, and sneezing. Cerebellum, area that coordinates musculoskeletal movement to maintain posture, balance, and muscle tone. Interior to the occipital lobes of the cerebrum, posterior to the pons and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum located above the cerebellum and contains two hemispheres with an outer portion called the cerebrum cortex. So spinal cord extends from the medulla oblongata of the brain to the area around the first lumbar vertebra in the lower back. Layer of the meninges, dura mater, outer tough fibrous membrane, and arachnoid matter, middle web-like membrane containing CSF and pia matter. Intermost layer containing several blood vessels. Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is a collection of peripheral nervous ganglia and specialized sensory structures that has a system carries sensory and motor information between the center nervous system and all other organs and tissue of the body. So this is the short study on the nervous system belongs to the human anatomy and physiology, practical for the B.Pharm second semester. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.